So in the previous video, we talked about MHC Class I, which is basically a way to deal with pathogens which are in the cytosol, inside the cell. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about major histocompatibility complex types 2, or MHC Class II, which deals with pathogens which are phagocytosed. Okay, so they're outside basically. So we have an antigen presenting cells, and the antigen presenting cells can be a macrophage, can be follicular dendritic cells, B cells, etc. that will phagocytose some bug here. So the bug will be included in phagosome, and the phagosome is going to fuse with a lysosome to form a phagolysosome. And once the phagolysosome is formed, the enzymes which are present in the lysosome will start digesting, the pathogen down into peptides and hydrolyze them into peptides. Stage 1. This is stage 1. Okay. So meanwhile, while this is happening here, okay, we have basically the protein, okay, the MHC class molecule, which is made of alpha 1 and alpha 2 and beta 1, beta 2, it starts to being assembled into the endoplasmic reticulum. The pore here that it's supposed, these peptides are supposed to come in here, however, it's blocked. Okay, so this is blocked by invariant chain, or LI, which has another subunit which is called the clip. So the groove here is blocked, so you don't want to plug these peptides too early, right? So now as this goes and translocates, okay, it's called a compartmentalization. Okay, so the MHC will basically go into the MHC-2 compartment of the endoplasmic reticulum. So what's going to happen here is the invariant chain, okay, the invariant chain will be degraded, okay, will be removed, but the clip still blocking the groove. Okay, we're still not ready to put a peptide here. So to put a peptide here, we need an enzyme which is HLA-DM that will exchange the clip that is plugged in the groove, okay, for one of these peptides. And now the MHC Class II is assembled and it's ready to be presented on the surface of the cell, the antigen presenting cell, and this is where they're going to meet the T helper cell, or CD4 positive cell.